When you have a fever and your body temperature increases by more than 2 degrees, you feel miserable, clammy, exhausted and thirsty. After some time you recover, your temperature drops and you gradually get your energy levels up again. Now take our Earth. Temperatures are rising. If we stick to business as usual, we will surpass an increase of 2 degrees, leading to climate change with extreme consequences like floods, droughts and failed crops, resulting in food scarcity and climate refugees. Our Earth is moving towards a fever, and it will continue to stay in that state if we don't take action now. Climate change lies mainly in our consumption of fossil resources such as coal, oil and gas. We use it for energy, fuels, chemicals and plastics. When used or thrown away, it adds carbon dioxide to the air, which causes a rise in temperature, which turns our atmosphere into a greenhouse. We must keep our Earth healthy and stop this temperature rise. We need to reduce emissions and capture CO2 from the environment, leaving fossil resources in the ground, and use other climate-friendly resources.